Human civilization depends on organic materials. The food we eat, the clothes we wear, the homes we build, and the transportation we use all rely on organic materials and the industries that produce them. In the 1920s, with the rise of the chemical industry, humanity gained the ability to produce organic chemicals and materials from fossil resources at an unprecedented scale. Fertilizers, plastics, synthetic rubber, and synthetic fibers soon followed, dramatically expanding our capacity to produce the materials that support modern life. As agricultural productivity and industrial efficiency increased, the global population nearly quadrupled over the following century. However, this prosperity has come at a significant environmental cost. The chemical industry has been rapidly consuming fossil carbon accumulated by the Earth over hundreds of millions of years. The result has been a dramatic surge in carbon emissions. Before 1920, global annual carbon dioxide emissions remained below 1.8 billion tons. By 2020, that figure had risen to 37 billion tons, an increase of nearly 20-fold in just one century. During this period, the global average temperature rose by about 1.2 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, 11 million tons of plastic waste enter the oceans every year, causing severe ecological damage and posing growing risks to human health. In fact, fossil fuels themselves originated from the remains of ancient organisms that lived hundreds of millions of years ago. A small portion of ancient terrestrial plants, algae, and plankton was preserved in oxygen-poor sedimentary environments under suitable pressure and temperature. Over millions of years of geological evolution, this organic matter was gradually transformed into fossil fuels, such as oil, coal, and natural gas. This leads us to an important question. If all organic matter ultimately originates from biological synthesis, could we harness biological systems directly to create a sustainable pathway for producing organic materials? The emergence of synthetic biology is humanity's answer to that question. Through design, engineering, and reprogramming, we can now engineer living systems in ways once reserved for machines. Engineered organisms can efficiently use renewable carbon sources to produce new organic materials at industrial scale. For the first time in history, humanity has gained an unprecedented ability to engineer life itself. The exploration of material production through synthetic biology is advancing in 3 stages. The first stage uses food crops as the primary carbon source. Engineered microbial strains can convert glucose derived from agricultural crops into organic building blocks at industrial scale. The second stage shifts to non-food carbon sources, greatly expanding the range of renewable feedstocks. Plant materials such as straw and lignocellulose are abundant in nature, but natural microorganisms cannot use them efficiently. Through genetic engineering, industrial microorganisms can convert these non-food carbon sources into valuable products, reducing the need for additional arable land. The third stage opens an entirely new frontier by directly utilizing one-carbon feedstocks. Powered by clean energy systems, carbon dioxide can be converted economically into compounds such as methanol and formic acid, providing a continuous supply of renewable raw materials for biomanufacturing. Even more remarkably, carbon dioxide, once regarded as a symbol of the climate crisis, can itself become a nutrient for engineered cells, fueling the next generation of synthetic biology. In 2022, a research team at Shanghai Jiaotong University successfully demonstrated the direct synthesis of bioplastics inside algal cells using carbon dioxide as the feedstock. This breakthrough in carbon-negative synthetic biology marks a significant step toward truly sustainable organic material production. Carbon-negative synthetic biology not only has the potential to bring manufacturing back into nature's carbon cycle, but also opens new possibilities for space exploration and the establishment of self-sustaining life support systems beyond Earth. A new wave of technological innovation is transforming materials and energy systems across China. SYNLIFE is one of the companies committed to changing the world through synthetic biology. Built upon the research excellence of Shanghai Jiaotong University, SYNLIFE has been advancing the exploration and application of synthetic biology. From bio-based monomers and high-value molecules to high-performance bio-based materials, SYNLIFE has successfully translated multiple product pipelines from laboratory research into commercial applications. At SYNLIFE, we believe that truly transformative technologies do more than reshape industries and society. They improve people's lives and help build a more sustainable future.